to get you outside of the box. It takes courage to be successful. It takes courage to win. People don't talk about people that don't win. If you win, they're going to talk about you. Do you have the courage?
What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a fantastic day today. The last 24 hours have been crazy all over the crypto market. For that reason, today I must pass a crucial message to every XRP holder. Now, before we get started, I'd like to share with you all a tweet by the Bearable Bull that says an investor that can watch their portfolio drop without reacting emotionally is on that path to generating a massive amount of wealth. If you have been holding XRP for the long haul, you'll agree with me that we've seen our portfolios massively go sideways. That's why when we start seeing some action in the markets, it will be so fulfilling. I know right now it seems like there's nothing positive in the markets, and that's why most people can't understand how we can be bullish at such a time when we are in a complete bloodbath. While we will always project things early, it doesn't mean that they won't eventually happen. Now, what I need you all to understand is that here we are long-term investors, and that's why we will always look at what will happen in the specific markets in the long term. The altcoin season is coming soon. Don't be left behind doubting. With that said, let's roll that intro and get into all the juicy details of today's video. As always, welcome back to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP team. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Getting back to today's topic, while we are anticipating a massive altcoin season, things aren't looking that great right now. Bitcoin is dragging the market down. And this is not happening in the crypto market only. If you check out the stock market, you'll also see that it's a bloodbath over there. The worst part is that if you think the market is down right now, you have not seen what's to come. We have a massive market crash ahead of us. Of course, we will have another bull run before that happens, but after, we will witness what will be known as the greatest financial collapse in modern history. As far as the precedent of the stock and crypto market is concerned, in the long term, we should be prepared for a massive dip. But when we talk about the immediate future, we still have the opportunity to profit from our altcoins. What's so exciting about this is that we will be able to take our profits and reinvest at the bottom. If you hold utility cryptos, you are sure of making beautiful profits. But while that happens, you'll all need to be prepared for the negative things that will follow. We are talking about blackouts, cyber attacks, food shortages, exchanges, and crypto regulations. The first step is knowing what's coming next, but that's not enough. You also need to prepare diligently. Moving forward, we've got a tweet here. It's from Johnny Crypto. It says, okay, just following up on my prior tweet. It looks like the DXY was just rejected at 104 and RSI is way overbought. If this rejection holds up, then we should start to see the dollar plunge, and as folks look for a safe haven, cryptos could be the beneficiary. Now let's see what's happening with the Ripple XRP lawsuit as shared on the dailyhodl.com. The judge presiding over the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC's lawsuit against Ripple has made an unexpected schedule change. James K. Filan, a lawyer closely following the lawsuit, says that Judge Torres has altered the case's calendar, which previously was slated to head into 2023. Judge Torres modifies the proposed calendar. Motions to exclude expert testimony must be fully briefed by August 30, 2022. Motions for summary judgment must be fully briefed by November 15, 2022. According to attorney and crypto expert Jeremy Hogan, the change of schedule signals that Judge Torres would like to see the lawsuit wrap up before Christmas. Oh, that's a pleasant surprise. Judge Torres has sua sponte, that's fancy Latin, for because she wants to and can, moved up the schedule for summary judgment briefs to November 15. What do I take from that? She wants the Ripple versus SEC case over before Christmas. Last week, Filan broke the news that Ripple and the SEC came to an agreement to push back opening briefs for summary judgment and expert challenges to August, and closing briefs to a few days before Christmas. Hogan commented at the time that that agreement was the worst-case scenario for the lawsuit and that he's never seen a plaintiff in a case push back the justice they seek. However, Filan said that Ripple agreeing to the delay may have benefited the company by allowing them to finally lock in a date and avoid any further pushbacks. Many people are questioning why Ripple agreed to this schedule. My gut feeling is that there was a trade-off. If Ripple didn't agree, there would be more scheduling disputes that, in my estimation, would have taken up even more time, and Ripple would have lost that battle if the past is any guide. Then the motion schedule would have gone well into 2023. In my opinion, this was a very smart move by Ripple in locking in this schedule. Now, as we start to wind down on today's video, we have a tweet from Mac Attack XRP, and it says, XRP can bridge two currencies quicker, less costly, more scalable, and sustainable than any other digital asset. As a result, XRP can become very valuable if it is used a lot. Bitcoin is slow, Ethereum is expensive, Solana is down, and Cardano not fully developed. There is only one crypto asset that works perfectly right now, XRP. So don't sell your bag yet. You might want to hodl. We might be the only last men standing when it comes to the messiness of the crypto market. All right, guys, now we're going to discuss how to win over greed. 1. Greed is the problem. Many beginners and even experienced traders face greed. It's a feeling that makes you believe in your superiority over the market, opening a lot of trades, breaking risk management, continuing to trade after incurring a loss, refusing to take profits, hoping to earn more, averaging losing trades because everything is about to change, believing in the reliability of your pattern, although no pattern or indicator always works out 100%. 2. Why does greed take over? We all have our desires and goals. Society teaches us that we shouldn't deny ourselves comfort. This leads the vast majority to take out loans for new clothes, iPhones, cars. This is how people get used to greed's superiority and put it before discipline, getting accustomed to being able to live beyond their means, to keep up with the Joneses. What do you think happens to such people when they come into trading? God forbid such a person immediately learns about futures. Then he will lose everything in a month at most. This is exactly the 95% who lose money in the market. They suddenly see an opportunity to make $1 million out of $10,000 in a month, and inspired by the stories of Dogecoin millionaires from YouTube and Reddit, start to long Bitcoin with 125 times leverage. There's another type. They do not rush to make money. They act more cautiously. They set themselves up right away that trading is a long game and there is no hurry. They develop steadily and study pattern after pattern. However, their game pays off very slowly, and under the influence of their expertise, they allow themselves more and more experiments. They are like King Theoden from Lord of the Rings, who was slowly losing his mind under the watchful eye of Wormtongue. 3. How do you get around greed and start using it to your advantage? Change your perspective. Instead of being greedy for money, become greedy for your professional growth. Ironically, if you stop focusing on money, it will come. Create a journal and start analyzing your trades. What were your reasons for entering? Did you need an open to trade, or was it suboptimal? Did you act under the influence of emotions, and if so, which ones? And why? Develop, grow, and reward yourself when you get better, even if your trading results are unchanged. Your brain needs to get used to the fact that the most important thing now is discipline and small improvements. Step by step, you will become a profitable trader, and when you do, withdraw your honestly earned profits into fiat to reward yourself for your fortitude and persistence. You will succeed because, unlike all casino players, you will have the backbone and endurance. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, my friends. We continue to pray for Ukraine. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can always let us know what you think in the comment section below and start a conversation. Thanks as always for watching. Can't be here without you. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button. And be sure to turn on notifications so you get notices whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.